promise you, there is a reason that I am up at 6:02 in the morning before the sun comes up. Going after the fish that I've been chasing after for a couple years and have just been swerved so hard by for whatever reason. Hopefully today I catch one because I've got some good feelings about today. Weather's looking good. We're gonna get there for the morning bite, which is always good. And I don't know, you probably can't even see me, so I'm gonna stop filming, but we're gonna get on the road and we're hopefully gonna catch some of these fish. Maybe we'll do a catch and cook. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a good video.
Do you have a hit? These motherfuckers are fishes.
First salmon, yes sir.
One. There we go. Smacked it at the shore. See if I can get him out without him flipping off. Did you see that? There we go. Chill out. Look at that shit. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Okay, there we go. Now I have him. Dude, he smacked it at the top of the wave.
Look at that.
Look at that thing. My hands are just ruined. Right on the KO, dude. That's the only thing with these things. Their scales come off and get everywhere, dude. Literally. That's why you carry that cast screw towel. Look at that. Yeah. Damn! That shit just soaked my ass. That's with the color switch, dude. Get up here, do not come off. Get up here. Give me that. There we go. I literally just switched to a Castmaster. Buddy bit it. Buddy nailed it first cast. Does that look like... Alright, no, whatever. Go back. Look at my hands, dude. Yeah. No, it's not. I lied. I lied. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. It is not a keeper.
No.
This is like the smallest one that we caught today. Dude, the pliers are all, you got pliers?
I don't think so.
They're all the way down there. Let's go home. That one's scales didn't come off all over the. Yeah, they're way out then. At least the bigger ones are, hopefully. I don't know, he stopped head shaking. Get away from that rock, you bastard. Oh! Ah! Keeper! Ah! Shit. Finally. A little bit better. Yeah, that's a keeper. Finally got one that's a keeper. Which means he's getting the chopping block today. If he would stand still like this. And he nailed it too. That is 100%. A keeper. Hey, you got a stringer? Damn it, dude. All right, I'm gonna kill him then. All right. Massacre.
Look how little this guy is. Take a video of this and it's Adam.
Oh, that hand warmer. I think so. Little guy. I don't think he's gonna quite make it. Actually, I think he's right at 14, actually. He's probably over. You see that?
Yeah, there's one Justin there that's a little bit longer than that one.
It's like...
Yeah. He's keeping.
Keeper. That worked. Alright, I'm gonna have to center this part out.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna had someone yesterday. I know, do you know who Alex Neal is?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's one of my buddies.
Okay.
And I was out at BP yesterday. I was out there catching coho. One looked small and he's trying to snag him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you have this year's mint? That's last year's. That's 2018.
It's 2019.
That's when it
Oh no,
expired.
you're right. You're right here. That's right. Two again.
Yeah, so he, I guess, called in and asked if anybody's in the area, and they told him to go out with regular clothes, and he left like 5 minutes before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's freezing.
Hands cold?
It's freezing, dude. My gloves are wet too. Does not help.
This is it. All right. Then did you measure those fish?
I did.
Yeah,
14
probably,
above.
Yeah.
One was 14 and one was a little bit above.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say everyone I'm seeing is like right at 14.
Yeah, I mean, we caught them this, right under.
Yeah, this time of year, that's how they are. I mean, they're small, and then at a couple months when the spring run starts, they'll be like 16.
Yep.
They go 2 inches. All right, guys. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yep, no problem.
Have fun. Show expired ice cream. He said that's it.
He goes, yeah, you were good lad.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I've had these salmon fillets sitting in a marinade for about 36 hours, and all that marinade it consisted of olive oil, some pepper, some soy sauce, some garlic, some lemon juice, and if I had brown sugar, it would be some brown sugar in there as well, but I didn't have any, so whatever. It's kind of an Asian style recipe, if you will, that is really, really good. Do not knock it until you try it. It is very, very good. Trust me. I'm gonna bake it. I'm also gonna serve it with some rice, some white rice. It's whatever. I'm not getting too fancy, but I'm throwing some grape tomatoes in there. I'm also gonna throw some mushrooms in there. Not a lot of people like mushrooms for whatever reason. I do, so. Okay, so I'm gonna start cooking the rice because that's going to take probably the longest. We'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I did. I have not done a catch and cook in so long, and it feels good to finally do one. It was really good. It was really, really good. Coho, I think, is my favorite salmon out of all of them. It tastes the best, in my opinion. If you guys have never tried coho, I highly suggest trying it, and I highly suggest trying out this recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and link the ingredients down below if you guys are at all interested in trying that recipe on. And it works on salmon, it works on whitefish like cod or flounder. It works on pretty much all of them, so even shrimp. So check it out. Like I said before, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you're new here, subscribe to join the family. And also in the description will be the Southside Fishing merch website. Go check it out. If you guys like what you see, pick up a shirt. Help support me to do what I do on this channel. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.